Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Anji Babu. So before I start my class, let me tell you a story about my friend. Raju is my friend. His mobile was broken few days ago. Right now he is in a shopping mall. He is buying a mobile phone. So if you look at these sentences, the story of Raju. So where is he now? He is in a shopping mall. What is he doing? He is buying a mobile phone. He is buying a mobile phone. Closely look at this sentence. He is buying a mobile phone right now. Right? So this is grammatically called present continuous tense. Today we are going to look at present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used in different contexts. The first context is it is used to describe an action which is happening right now. The second one is it is used to describe which are the longer actions. The third one is the actions which are planned. Okay guys, to understand present continuous tense clearly, let's watch a video.
But it was written by R.K. Narayana, the English teacher. I want to read it. I am reading it. I will lend it to you when I finish this book.
So look at the first one. The first one is an action happening right now. Okay. So present continuous tense describes an action which is going on or which is happening right now. Guys, just imagine and just see what is happening around you and you will understand it. What is happening around you? You just think of it. Take a minute and pause the video and just look at around you and see what is happening in your surroundings. Okay, let me tell you what is happening around me. Here, I am teaching you a class. I am teaching grammar. Someone is recording it. My children are watching TV. The AC is working. Some people are walking on the road. My neighbors are playing chess. And somebody is shouting in the ground floor. I think some of my neighbors are watching TV with a loud volume. These are the things which are happening around me. Okay, so these things are happening. So here we have to use present continuous. they are trying to disturb me. So since they is a plural, it has added are. Right. So these are the examples. The first point to remember quickly, we use present continuous tense for the actions which are happening right now. So these are the actions happening right now. So here you can add at the end of the sentences now, for example, see, we are going there, spending some time. So that's a planned. So that means we are not going right now. We are not going there. But after some time, we'll go there because it is a planned or arranged action. And now look at the another example. They are leaving for America. They are leaving for America. So they are in shopping now. My neighbors are in shopping and they are leaving for America. It is planned for 1 year. Planned it. They planned it, and they are leaving for America. And the next one, I am going to. I am going to write. I am going to write IELTS exam. I am going to write IELTS exam tomorrow. I am going to write IELTS exam tomorrow. I am not writing today. I am writing. I am going to write tomorrow. So it's a planned action. He is coming now. Where is Raju? Raju is coming now. So that means he's not here, but he's coming. Guys, so next look at the negative sentences. How to make negative sentences in present continuous tense. So it is easy to write. Look here. So it is It is not raining. Look at the example. It is not raining. So what we did, we just added not between be form and the verb form. Okay, so between be form and verb form. So in the same way, I am not using this phone. We are not going anywhere due to lockdown. They are not meeting tonight. She is not cooking. So if you look at it, so not is placed between be form and verb form. It's very simple to make negative sentence, right? So now guys, come to questions. Yes or no questions, right? So these yes or no questions starts with is or am or are. So any one of three you have to take. So first one, look at the first one. Is he teaching grammar? Is he teaching grammar? How is the question starting? The question is starting with is, because he, the subject is he. Since there is he, it is he. Is he teaching grammar? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? The subject is here, you. Am I troubling you? Am I troubling you? Here the subject is I. Are they helping the poor? Are they helping the poor during the lockdown? Are they helping? Is Mansa trying for a job? Is Mansa trying for a job? So you have to take any one of these three and start a question. Yes or no? Guys, finally we are going to look at double H questions. What are these double H questions? So here double H question starts are like what, why, where, how, etc. So here first question, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? Look here. So what followed by be form and subject and verb form here. So what are you doing now? Why are you disturbing me? Why are you where are you going? How are you managing the things? What is he studying? Guys, so did you understand present continuous tense? If you don't understand, please let me know that. And if you understand, please comment here. And if you like my video, please like it, comment it, share it, and subscribe. So while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for your time.